Once your new knobs arrive, it's time to get them installed on your new cabinets. I'll show you how to install your new knobs like a pro. If your cabinets don't already have holes, we'll show you how to drill holes and install your new cabinet knobs. You'll need a pencil, a ruler or tape measure, a drill with a 3/16 inch bit, a Phillips screwdriver, and some painter's tape. For cabinets, you'll want to place your knob in the corner of the cabinet door. You can mount the knob in the center of the door frame corner, or you can move it up or down an inch or two. There's no wrong answer, so do what looks best to you. You'll want to install all your knobs the same vertical distance from the door corner. Use a tape measure or ruler to measure the vertical distance from the edge of the door to the center of your knob's hole. Pro tip, use a piece of painter's tape on your cabinet door so you can mark measurements without leaving permanent marks on your cabinets. The knob should be centered horizontally on the frame of the door. Check your placement by measuring the width of the door frame and marking the center. Mark your preferred vertical location on the first cabinet door. Next, you're going to drill the hole. You'll want to make sure not to drill into your cabinet frame, so be sure to hold the door open. Put a piece of painter's tape on the back of the door where the hole will be. This keeps the drill bit from splintering the wood as it pushes through the door frame. You'll need a drill and a 3/16 inch drill bit. Place the tip of the drill bit on your mark and tap the back of the drill with your other hand. This makes a small indentation where the bit will drill and keeps it from moving around. Make sure you hold the drill level as you drill a hole from the front side of the cabinet door all the way through the door frame. Drill slowly so you don't splinter the door as the bit pushes through the back side. Mark the remaining cabinet door locations using the same measurements as the first door. Drill each hole carefully. Now you're ready to attach your new knobs. Screws are included with your knobs. In each knob pack there are 2 screws. The standard screw is the perfect length for cabinet doors. It may also work for your drawers if you don't have thick drawer fronts. Also included are breakaway screws. This screw is designed to be broken off to the length you need. We'll set this one aside for later if we need it. Once your holes are drilled, insert the screw into the hole from the back of the door. The screw needs to stick out from the door about 1/4 of an inch. If the screw is too short, use the included breakaway screws. Use a pair of wire cutters or pliers to break the screw to the correct length. Careful not to bend the screw or damage the threads. Align the screw with the hole in the knob and tighten the screw. Install all of your knobs and step back to admire your new kitchen.